Hi, this is Jill from McCarthy's Red Stag Pub, talking about Restaurant Week today. I'm going to walk through really quick. One of our signature dishes here on Restaurant Week is our sausage roll. We have a pork sausage, very nice plain pork sausage, and puff pastry, a puff pastry sheet. So it's a very simple, relatively easy thing to do. Take sausage, roll it. So I'm going to make a log. This is our idea of cocktail franks, right? Like everybody loves cocktail franks when they go to parties, but this makes it 100% better. Clip it. And that is a sausage roll we cut in half and we score it. And that's easy. It's that easy. Now, when we get an order, obviously, we have them two different ways on our Restaurant Week menu. You can get them as an appetizer on our dinner menu, which would be two of those served with our onion stout gravy, or as an entree, which are also two of them that's served with mashed and veg and our gravy. These are a Prince Edward Island mussel, fresh mussels. They were just delivered today, actually. These are gonna be our Pear Cider Seeped mussels. We're getting a pan hot. A little bit of celery and more garlic, because you never can go wrong with garlic. Gonna add mussels. We got a dozen mussels, some fresh tomatoes, Magner's pear cider. Yep. And then we're gonna finish it with some cream, salt and pepper. I'm just going to finish it with a tiny bit of heavy cream to bring it all together. And this is going to be served with our brown bread, of course, so you have something to sop up all this nice juice, okay? All the mussels are open, which means they are done. Some of our brown bread. That is our Cider Seeped mussel, available on the Restaurant Week dinner menu as an appetizer. We're also offering everything a la carte as well, so if you only want to come in and get the mussels, you can get those as well. Come down and visit Red Stag Pub during Restaurant Week. These specials will be available through Saturday.